So this is my pomegranate plant, which is quite old, and around 5 to 6 months ago, an air layering was done on it. This air layering was actually done by a friend, not by me. I am now showing you this air layering. Let's open it and see whether it has developed roots or not. There is another air layering below as well, but we will not cut that one. Only the upper air layering will be cut. Now winter season has started, so let's continue the process. I have now cut it using a sharp cutter. Now we will check the roots and then transplant it. Pomegranate is very easy to grow. You can easily grow pomegranates from cuttings, so usually there is no need for air layering. This air layering was done just as an experiment to see whether air layering can also be successful. This air layering is about 5 to 6 months old, so now we will check how many roots have developed in it. I have trimmed the plant a little, and I'm also cutting the extra branches so the plant can form a good shape. This pomegranate variety has white seeds inside. It does not grow very large, but its taste is very sweet. The color remains green, slightly dark green, and the seeds inside are not red. Now I am cutting it and trying to open the air layering. Once it is opened, we will be able to see the roots. I have now opened the air layering, and as you can see, the roots have developed beautifully. The medium used here is clay soil. In our area, mostly clay soil is used. We get it from the riverbed or from other places where it is easily available. It is very fertile, which is why we use it for air layering. Now, this is wood ash. We will mix water in it and add one more thing before transplanting the air layering. This is turmeric. We will make a mixture using turmeric and wood ash, and we will dip the roots in this mixture so that fungus does not attack the plant after transplanting. Turmeric protects the plant from fungus, and wood ash contains phosphorus, which also protects against fungus and diseases. This homemade solution works very well. You can even use only turmeric if you want. Let me know in the comments if you have ever tried this method before. Now I will lightly dip the roots into the mixture so that after transplanting, fungus does not attack them. The plant will start growing about 1 to 2 months. During this time, the roots will slowly spread, so this treatment helps protect it.
Now I will plant it in a full sun location where it also gets slight moisture. Winter is just started, so it will take around 2 months for new sprouting to appear. It will not sprout immediately. Tell me in the comments what you think about pomegranate. How many pomegranate plants do you have at home? Do you like pomegranate? Have you planted it in pots or directly in soil? I don't plant them in pots because I have a lot of land available, so I plant them in the ground. Now I am planting it here. I will now cover the roots with soil lightly so the plant can settle well. Pressing the soil gently removes air gaps, which helps the plant establish better. Now I am adding the mixture, turmeric plus wood ash, on top as well. Our plant is now completely transplanted. What are the benefits of pomegranate? Should you grow pomegranate from cuttings or through air layering? I will tell you that pomegranate grows much better from cuttings. You can do air layering for fun or experiments, but most people do not use air layering for pomegranate.
Air layering works best in spring. Summer also supports strong root formation. Avoid winter due to slow activity. Choose branches thick for healthy rooting. Semi-hardwood branches give best results. Branch diameter, like marker, performs well. Select disease-free branches for layering. Older branches root slower than younger. Morning time perfect for starting layering. Tools should always remain properly sanitized. Use sharp cutter for clean cuts. Use pruning shears for branch shaping. Keep grafting knife for bark removal. Carry gardening gloves for hand safety. Sterilize tools using simple rubbing alcohol. Clean tools reduce fungal infection risk. Choose location with mild, consistent shade. Avoid extreme sunlight during rooting period. Excess heat dries medium very quickly. Too much shade slows rooting development. Balanced light always ensures stable growth. First, mark branch location for layering. Remove leaves around selected layering point. Measure 2 inches bark removal area. Cut bark carefully without harming wood. Inner wood should remain completely intact. Remove outer bark ring entirely, clean. Scratch cambium lightly to prevent healing. Branch should not reconnect cambium layer. Cambium reconnecting stops proper root formation.
Prepare medium before touching bark area. Use moist soil mixed with peat. Clay soil also produces excellent results. Cocoa peat helps maintain necessary moisture. Add river sand for better aeration. Include compost for strengthening root development. Medium must not stay overly soggy. Excess moisture causes fungal root damage. Slight moisture keeps roots forming actively. Wrap mixture tightly around exposed portion. Center mixture should completely cover cambium. Make sure no air pockets remain. Air gaps prevent proper root formation. Plastic wrap is required for covering. Transparent plastic helps monitor root growth. Use black plastic during hot climates. Tie plastic firmly using strong thread. Upper knot prevents water entering system. Lower knot maintains strong structural stability. Secure mixture tightly without unnecessary pressure. Keep layer moist during entire period. Check moisture weekly for best results. Do not open layering frequently unnecessarily. Disturbing mixture slows entire rooting process. Use syringe for adding extra water. Avoid overwatering causing unwanted fungal issues. Monitor plastic fogging for moisture signs. Good moisture always creates successful rooting. Make small holes for air exchange. Large holes should always be avoided.
Air layering takes around 3 months. Pomegranate usually roots faster in warmth. Root speed depends entirely on branch health. Thicker branches generate deeper, stronger roots. Younger branches create faster, shallow rooting. Look for visible roots through plastic. Brown roots mean medium dried earlier. White roots indicate healthy, active formation. Translucent roots show moisture fluctuation issues. Do not remove branch too early. Avoid pruning until plant grows taller. Early pruning slows significant plant development. Provide balanced organic feed after month. Organic fertilizers keep plant growth natural. Chemical fertilizers stress young plant systems. Mulch soil lightly using dry leaves. Mulching stabilizes temperature around root zone. Mulching reduces unnecessary moisture evaporation rates. Observe plant weekly for growth progress. Watch leaves for early nutrient deficiency. Yellow leaves show watering-related issues. Curled leaves show intense heat stress. Brown tips indicate poor moisture retention. Healthy leaves appear shiny, deep green. Avoid unnecessary shifting of plant location. Moving pot disturbs new tender roots. Provide stable environment promoting sustained growth. Pomegranate becomes hardy once roots settle. Mature plants tolerate heat extremely well. Air layering ensures exact parent duplication. Fruit quality remains entirely genetically identical. Cutting method also preserves plant genetics. Air layering gives bigger, early plants. Cuttings produce smaller, slower starting plants. Air layering suits rare plant varieties. Cuttings suit mass propagation requirements easily. Layering easier for beginners growing trees. Mistakes rarely kill mother host plant. Layering works better during active seasons. Avoid layering during severe cold months. Immature roots break extremely easily inside. Mature roots appear thick and strong. Once roots develop, prepare transplant pot. Use pot with excellent drainage holes. Fill pot using airy soil medium. Cocoa peat helps keeping soil breathable. Add compost for initial growth boost. Avoid chemical fertilizers immediately after transplant. Use turmeric solution for preventing fungal attack. Wood ash solution strengthens root immunity naturally. Dip roots gently inside protective mixture. Coating ensures fungus stays completely away. Place plant straight inside new container. Keep roots fully covered using soil. Press soil lightly to remove air. Air pockets harm early rooting greatly. Water plant lightly after transplantation completion. Avoid heavy watering at initial stage. Moist soil promotes controlled growth activity. Put pot under bright, indirect sunlight. Direct sunlight may stress new roots. Gradually expose plant to stronger sunlight. Full sunlight required after growth stabilization. Keep soil slightly moist every day. Avoid soggy conditions causing root rot. Protect plant from cold, harsh winds. Pomegranate dislikes extremely low temperature exposure. Young transplants require stable, warm environment. New leaves appear after several weeks. Sprouting begins once roots become stronger. Best months include March, April, May. Secondary best months, July, August, September. Avoid December, January due to dormancy. Root formation extremely slow during winters. Choose healthy mother plants for layering. Diseased mothers create weak, unhealthy clones. Avoid branches containing insect damage marks. Clean surroundings reduce pest-related problems. Apply neem solution for pest control. Neem helps controlling aphids, mealybugs, scale. Pomegranate attracts few harmful sucking insects. Regular monitoring prevents severe infestation conditions. Water plant only during morning hours. Evening watering encourages fungal environment formation. Soil dryness perfect between watering sessions. Overwatering widely kills young rooted plants. Provide support preventing plant bending pressure. Strong wind may break weak branches. Stake plant using bamboo thin sticks. Tie plant gently using soft rope. Avoid tight knots restricting stem growth. Check knots weekly for pressure larks. Pomegranate grows vigorously after root establishment. Faster growth occurs under full sunlight. Flowers appear after strong branch development. Fruits require warm, long growing seasons. Healthy plants produce bigger, sweeter fruits. Regular feeding increases fruiting efficiency greatly. Use organic compost for better results. Avoid nitrogen-heavy fertilizers during flowering. Potassium promotes stronger flowering and fruiting. Keep plant protected from seasonal pests. Healthy roots ensure consistent nutrient absorption. Air layering success depends on consistency. Follow steps carefully for excellent results. Pomegranate layering becomes simple with practice.